Hello everyone, welcome back to another Loyal and Save training. Today we'll be going over the loyalty settings. To get started, after you've logged on to the control center, we're going to click on Settings and then Loyalty. Altria Settings tab. In this area, you'll be able to configure different settings for Altria Tier 2 and 3. If you are a Tier 2 member, you will enter in the Altria company ID. From here, this information can be retrieved by your Altria rep. If you are Tier 3, for Tier 3 members, additional fields will be available to you. The Altria Company ID. This field is an ID provided by your Altria for your account. Primary contact email. Enter the primary contact within your company responsible for dealing with digital data submissions from Altria. Altria AG DC FTP connection. This is an FTP connection or an SFTP connection where the files are placed for promotion and metrics. In order to add the FTP connection, you're going to click on the Add button, enter the provided information from your Altria rep, and then click Save. In some instances, you may require a subfolder. To toggle this feature on, you would click on Yes, and then enter the subfolder. Altria Product Mappings. Select product mappings for Altria benchmark promotion statistics. The survey options shown below are predefined by Altria. However, you can customize department mapping for each product type. To do so, select your department from the drop-down list to best match the predefined Altria survey options. Send Altria AG DC notifications. Any alerts for successful or failed benchmarks and activity log submissions will be sent to the addresses listed below. AGDC notification list. Enter one email per line who will receive AGDC updates.